Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have what matters: skills, time, and access to a phone or laptop. First, pick one marketable skill and define a simple offer you can deliver in 1-2 sessions. Then, set a 4-hour weekly test block and price it so you get real feedback. Charge something, even $5. Once done, document the process and client reactions. Make sure to create a payment route that supports 1099s and clear records. This prevents headaches later. Now expand. Build a repeatable workflow that turns leads into paying customers. You design a 3-step sequence: initial inquiry, delivery protocol, and a follow-up that asks for a testimonial or referral. Next, create one outreach template and one alternate message to a /B test. Automate sending during peak times. Then, introduce tiered pricing: basic, standard, premium, to match budgets and increase average revenue. Make sure to monitor. Finish by formalizing what worked. Gather client feedback, tweak the offer, and write a short SOP for each repeatable task. You should also set clear boundaries: hours you work, delivery timelines, and a refund policy to avoid scope creep. For cash flow, invoice immediately and follow up once. If things go wrong, run a focused 7-day promotional test or rework your messaging. This often reveals whether the problem is price, copy, or audience. Stay patient and iterate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.